Build and lift. Imagine passing by a construction site in the morning, seeing a roof on the ground, and then, by the time you return in the evening, the roof is already in place and builders are working on the walls. It's not magic, it's the build and lift method, invented by New Zealand carpenter Neil Joseph Cott. This innovative technique was designed to enhance safety on construction sites and has significantly advanced the entire industry. With build and lift, workers can raise a roof covering up to 300 square meters in just a day. The need for scaffolding and protective nets is greatly reduced, and the risk of working at heights is minimized. It's a game changer in improving construction efficiency and safety. What do you think of this revolutionary method? Blumer Lehmann. The Swiss company, Blumer Lehmann AG, is at the forefront of modern construction, specializing in modular wood projects. A prime example of their innovative work is the Into the Woods Pavilion, which adorns the Swiss Embassy Garden in Copenhagen. Experts from Blumer Lehmann AG, in collaboration with 2 other teams, assembled 3 unique tree structures, each composed of 18 elements. To ensure stability, steel tubes were inserted into the trunks, which also provided drainage. The treetops are adorned with textile membranes, adding an aesthetic and functional touch. These projects by Blumer Lehmann AG have garnered significant acclaim, so much so that even Swedish King Karl XIV's Gustav inaugurated one of them. Their work exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern design and traditional craftsmanship, making a lasting impact in the field of modular wood construction. Advanced lifting solutions. EasyG Manufacturing offers 2 innovative lifters designed to enhance efficiency and precision on the job site. The basic PM1AIR model can handle up to 34 kg, while the more robust GripHog vacuum model can lift up to 109 kg. Both models feature a T-handle that ensures precise control, helping to keep tiles and other items level during lifting. For heavier tasks, the stronger lifter is equipped with an 8-shaped handle, allowing for 2-person use. Each lifter comes with a set of special attachments that include memory foam elements, providing versatility and ease of use. According to EasyG Manufacturing, these lifters can reduce work time by 40%, making them a valuable tool for any project. Given their efficiency and time-saving capabilities, it's no surprise that even the basic model is priced at $634. PERI Duo. PERI is a leading name in the scaffolding and formwork market, known for its high-quality products used in the construction of iconic landmarks like the Cuatro Torres business area in Spain and the Zoltoy Bridge in Russia. One of PERI's most popular solutions worldwide is the Duo formwork, made from polymer. This material doesn't rust or absorb moisture, offering strength and durability for reuse on various projects. Duo is significantly lighter than steel or wooden alternatives, making it easier to handle and work with. It is capable of supporting the pouring of slabs up to 30 centimeters thick, providing a reliable and efficient formwork solution. SafeSmart Access. Since 1991, SafeSmart Access has been leading the way in providing safe and efficient equipment for working at heights. One of their standout products is their scaffolding, which facilitates easy access to crane cabins. This scaffolding can support 250 kilograms of force per square meter and has a width of 1.2 meters, allowing 2 people to pass each other comfortably. Another impressive product is the EasyRail system, designed specifically for professionals working on rooftops. The EasyRail attaches to the eaves, forming a protective barrier that prevents falls, ensuring a safe working environment. Also notable is Z-Stack, an innovative aluminum stair system that combines both strength and lightness. Despite each module weighing only 2.18 kilograms, experts at SafeSmart Access assert that Z-Stack can be used to create staircases of virtually any height, providing versatile solutions for various height-related tasks. 3D wall panels, the easy installation, professional results. Installing 3D wall panels is as straightforward as gathering a level, tape measure, knife, drill, and nail gun tool's simpler to find than creating a character in a multiplayer online game. These panels are designed for efficiency, ensuring even novices can achieve professional quality results effortlessly. Crafted from a lightweight yet sturdy polymer, the panels are reinforced and meticulously painted to mimic the appearance of metal. The realistic finish is so convincing that it's difficult to distinguish from actual metal until touched. Calculating your needs is simple. A standard box of panels covers approximately 1 square meter. For instance, the Penna collection offers boxes priced at $80 each, making it easy to estimate costs for your project. Enhance your space with the modern elegance of 3D wall panels, transforming any room into a showcase of style and sophistication. SEMBLA. Introducing SEMBLA, the innovative building system designed to transform the construction industry. Much like the famous Lego toy, SEMBLA blocks are modular and can easily connect and disconnect, offering limitless potential for creating customizable structures. These blocks can be reused multiple times, making them a sustainable and efficient option for modern construction projects. Each SEMBLA block is crafted using approximately 20% recycled materials, with low-carbon geopolymer-based concrete as its core component. Despite their eco-friendly design, these blocks have an impressive compressive strength of 80 megapascals, enabling the construction of residential buildings up to 13 meters high. With sustainability and durability at the forefront, SEMBLA is an excellent solution for building eco-friendly homes, offices, and other structures. Would you consider using these innovative blocks for your next construction project? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Minnich Barrier Wall Drill. When workers need to quickly secure concrete barriers, the Minnich Barrier Wall Drill is the ideal solution. This self-propelled system drills holes into the first barrier blocks and then into the ground, allowing workers to easily insert steel pins. The process is simple and efficient, requiring just 2 workers. One operates the system remotely, adjusting the drill's angle, while the other inserts the pins. No gloves are needed, ensuring a safer and faster operation. For a cleaner job, a dust collector can be attached to the system, ensuring minimal mess. The maximum drilling depth of the system is 91 centimeters, making it a powerful and effective tool for securing concrete barriers quickly and precisely. PLAEX Building Systems, the pioneering sustainable construction. At the heart of sustainable construction lies a straightforward principle: build structures that remain cost-effective throughout their life cycle. PLAEX Building Systems, a Canadian company, is leading the charge towards this sustainable future by introducing innovative building blocks crafted from 90% waste materials, including plaster, plastic, concrete, and other discarded resources. These eco-friendly blocks boast superior durability compared to traditional bricks and concrete. Moreover, they accelerate the construction process by 3 times and reduce costs by at least 35%, eliminating the need for mortar. This breakthrough allows even those with minimal experience to erect high-quality buildings and structures efficiently. Initial production will commence in Canada, with future plans to establish a global production network, spreading the benefits of PLAEX's sustainable building solutions worldwide. MONTABAUR. In the German town of MONTABAUR, workers are tackling the reconstruction of a culvert that channels an underground stream. Originally built around 80 years ago, this 1.6-kilometer structure has had an impressive lifespan. To ensure it continues to serve its purpose, workers are installing new pipes that are 6 meters long and 1.6 meters in diameter. Despite the stream's relatively slow flow, this reconstruction project is making a significant impact on the city's budget, with an estimated cost of $1.5 million. This project highlights the importance of upgrading and maintaining essential infrastructure to meet modern standards. Compact Tower Crane. The compact tower crane, sold by the Chinese company XJCM, brings a new level of convenience and efficiency to construction sites. Not only are these cranes remotely operated, but they also have the ability to unfold themselves. The FY-IT30 model can be deployed in just 10 minutes and has a lifting capacity of up to 3 tons, reaching heights of 25 meters. This crane's versatility makes it perfect for a range of applications, from construction teams working on challenging terrain to demolition crews and emergency repair services. The intuitive controls also mean that there's no need for a professional crane operator, making it easier for teams to operate the crane efficiently. HAHN Plastics, the sustainable grid solutions. Introducing HAHN Plastics, an international company renowned for its innovative approach to recycling plastic into practical products like grids and more. These grids, significantly lighter than concrete alternatives at approximately 9 kg each, are robust enough for various applications, from parking lots to warehouses, capable of supporting the weight of loaded car carriers. Paired with a drainage layer, these grids efficiently manage rainwater and mud, making them an ideal choice for agricultural use, including farms and horse breeding facilities. Their durability shines through in all weather conditions. They won't rot, rust, or crack in the cold. What sets HAHN Plastics apart is their commitment to sustainability. Once these grids reach the end of their life cycle, they can be recycled, contributing to a circular economy and reducing environmental impact. Geofoam, the transforming highway repairs. Cracked and sunken roads pose significant challenges for drivers and authorities, particularly on busy highways such as Highway 36 in the US. To address these issues swiftly, engineers turned to Geofoam blocks, an innovative solution that proved highly effective. The decision to use Geofoam blocks resulted in a remarkable achievement. The repair work was completed in just 2 months. This success required extensive coordination and effort from numerous individuals, revitalizing the highway and extending its lifespan. 6 factories were mobilized to produce over 6,100 Geofoam blocks, each measuring 2.4 by 1.2 by 1 meters. These blocks were transported by approximately 200 truck drivers to the project site. Workers skillfully maneuvered the lightweight styrofoam cubes into place, leveraging their manageable size and weight to expedite the reconstruction process. Geofoam has emerged as a game-changing solution for rapid and efficient infrastructure repairs, showcasing its potential to revolutionize road maintenance projects worldwide.